Well, there's my old chicken pen. I've had that. I built that 10 years ago, probably, or more. When I did it, I was trying to save. When I did the angle here, the angle down, I was trying to save wood. Instead of using an 8-foot piece, I used a 4-footer. And every time I go in it, my water, and I have to show you that because I do like my chicken water. And I think everybody ought to have one. My water is right there. So anytime I come over to the water, I have to squat down. I'm gonna hit my head on the wire. All that's wire. All this up in here is wire. All that's wire. So I have to bend over. You can see maybe on the other side is where my door is. And I had to cut my door on an angle. The top of my door is at an angle, you know, squared off at the bottom, but the top is angle. Anyway, I decided last year, I've had the materials for a year. I've decided I want to fix this where it is, where I don't have to squat down. I don't have to bend over to get in this corner of it over here. Up in there is full height, but over here I got to squat down because I have made it come down. So I am tearing all the chicken wire off of it. I've got some new wire, hardware cloth kind of, 1-inch squares. Tearing all the wire off of it. And I'm going to put some posts here that will be 8 feet tall. 8 feet tall. And over here. And I'm going to put a door there on the front of it, right there on the front of it, instead of off on the side of it right there. And that'll make it easier for me to get in here, come in here from the side with a wheelbarrow. Right now there's about a 3-foot gap between that fence right there and the chicken pen. So I have to scoot the wheelbarrow in there, and it's hard. I'm gonna be able to come in from the front, to shovel it out, to clean out my chicken pen, dump it in the wheelbarrow, or even drive a wheelbarrow up, maybe up in there and drive it out, and just make it a lot easier to clean out, make it a lot easier to also to just get in there, clean out the water and stuff like that. So that's what it looks like right now. We'll do a little work on it. I'll show you some progress as I go. Well, it is wide open right now. I put those are shelving pieces up there because a possum was getting in. Right there on top, right. Possum got in 1 week, and before I could figure out what he was doing, and killed 13 chickens in about 3 or 4 days. Since I will say this, since I've put the hot wire around the bottom, have not lost nothing to predators. So I'd highly recommend that. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be up right about there, right about now. If you've got chickens, that is the way to protect them. I got a lot of videos on predator control. And if you're gonna have animals, small animals especially, chickens, goats, sheep, ducks, geese, you need to predator proof or everything out in them woods. See them woods way back there? Everything out in them woods thinks you brought chickens on your property for them. And you have to show them that is not the case. Now, obviously, I need to clean out. I have got a pile of manure there under their roost. If you want to know what that is, I'll show you a link to that. It's just made out of a pallet, right about there, right about now. And that's an excellent roost for them. I'm going to power wash what is here. These are 4x6s. They're still in real good shape. And I'm going to power wash those and probably paint everything all my uprights before I put the wire on it. Paint everything kind of a red, like I like. And I'll show you the rest of the construction. How about that in another video? I'm gonna clean this out. I can get in here now. I will probably make me a ramp here. Once I put my door right there, I'll make a ramp in and out and be able to come in here. So much easier than trying to do it in that little space right there. And that's why it looks like this. I would wait so long in between clean outs. Anyway, need to do that. I've got a couple of bales of pine shavings I'll put in here, make it look nice. And then I'll show you the in another video we'll do the rebuild again. Coming up here, 8 feet. Won't be any more bending over in here, except right up under that roost. I still hit my head on the dadgum roost after all this time. Anyway, all right.